Good morning, dear children. In yesterday's class, we had drilled our memory and learned the basics of division. Children, you also had learned different terms used in division. Division means equal sharing or divide the things equally in different groups. We can divide the number by using repeated subtraction. Children, today in this class, we will learn detailed method of division through repeated subtraction. In this slide, you can see 20 is subtracted 4 times to distribute the things equally among 5 children. Now, children, let us understand the method of repeated subtraction by this example. If there are 144 flowers in a garden, how many garlands of 18 flowers each can be made? How many flowers are left? Children, it means you are distributing 144 flowers in different groups and each group has 18 flowers. Means when you are making first garland, you are using 18 flowers in this garland. So 144 minus 18 and your first garland is formed, and the remaining flowers will be 126. Now for making second garland, you are using again 18 flowers. Again you will subtract this number and get 108. To make third garland, you are using again 18 flowers, so you are subtracting this number from the leftover numbers and you get 90. Okay, similarly we will subtract the numbers and continue subtracting until we get 0, right? So children, here if you see this, how many times we have subtracted 18 from 144? First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, seventh time and eighth time. It means you have formed 8 garlands and no flowers left. Okay, in division, children, we can do this by division method also. We will take first digit of the dividend. We cannot read table of 18 in 1 because 1 is smaller than 18. So we will take the second digit and the number becomes 14. Again you can see that 14 is smaller than 18. So we are unable to read the table second time also. That's why you can see here I have put 20 because we are unable to read table of 18 2 times, right? Now third time we will take the next digit also and the number becomes 144. Okay, now this time we will read table of 18 8 times to get 144. So children, in division method also you get the same quotient. Here 8 times you have subtracted and no flower is left, and here also you can see when you divided 144 by 8, quotient is 8 and no flower is left. Now let us see second example. How many garlands of 15 flowers each can be made and how many flowers are left? Here what you will do, you will subtract 15 flowers. Okay, because this time you are making garland of 15 flowers. Okay, so let us see how many times we have subtracted this 15. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5th time, 6th time, 7th time, 8th time, 9th time. And here we get 9, and 9 cannot be further subtracted. So this number will be the remainder. It means 9 flowers are left and 9 garlands will form. Children, in division method we can do this sum like this. First we will take 1, that is smaller than 15. So we will take the second digit also. Again 14 is smaller than 15. So this time we will take all 3 digits and read the table of 15. 15 9s are 135. When we subtracted, 9 is left. It means 9 garlands are formed and 9 flowers will be left. Okay. Now children, let us see few more questions. Children, if you know total number of legs, can you find out number of goats? Yes, we can find out because we know that one goat has 4 legs. It means we will subtract 4 from 24 until we get 0. Or simply we can divide 24 by 4. When we have divided 24 by 4, we get 6. It means if 24 legs are there, it means 6 goats are present. Similarly, we can do this question also. If you see 28 eyes, can you tell number of children? Yes. We can tell number of children by dividing the number by 2. Why 2? Because one boy has 2 eyes. Okay. So 28 divided by 2 and we get 40. So 14 children are present. Children, hope both type of questions you all have understood. Do practice of these sums and solve the questions that I have given you today. Thank you and have a good day.